How does someone lose weight? There are many ways to lose weight, some of which have varying levels of side effects that can include simply feeling slight gas or increased anxiety. The ones that will be discussed are pills and probiotics. When discussing either supplement or diet pill, it is important to consider the pros and cons of each. What are the most popular methods of losing weight? The top 5 diet pills include Garcinia cambogia extract, hydroxycut, caffeine, Ali, orlistat, and glucomannan. There are also weight loss pills and supplements such as pyruvate, green tea extract, conjugated linoleic acid, and prescription weight loss pills. However, we will be discussing the top 5 ones. How do they work? These work based on these principles: reducing appetite, reducing fat absorption, and to increase fat burning. If appetite is reduced, you feel fuller faster and eat fewer calories. If you reduce fat absorption, you take in fewer calories. If you increase fat burning, you burn more calories. What are the benefits of Garcinia cambogia? This is a small, green fruit shaped like a pumpkin that contains hydroxycitric acid. Garcinia cambogia extract inhibits a fat-producing enzyme called citric acid lyase. Garcinia cambogia increases serotonin levels, and potentially reduces cravings. What are the cons of Garcinia cambogia? According to the anti-obesity effect of Garcinia, there is minimal scientific evidence to support this use even though it is widely commercialized. Additionally, although it may cause weight loss, it has minimal noticeable effects. What are the benefits of hydroxycut? Hydroxycut is famous for being a weight loss supplement and contains ingredients such as caffeine and plant extracts. It has been around for more than a decade. According to Said, Khalil, Fulda, Marie, Cassis, and Saad, it caused 21 pounds, or 9.5 kilograms, of weight loss over a 3-month period. The sample consisted of 34 human volunteers, where the test group consisted of 19 volunteers and a control group of 15 volunteers who consumed placebo pills. These participants also reported statistically significant weight loss as well as BMI reductions. This is not to say hydroxycut does not have its flaws though. What are the cons of hydroxycut? According to Anayat, Majid, Ali, Hayat, and Vassam in 2018, those who are sensitive to caffeine may have symptoms such as anxiety, jitteriness, tremors, nausea, diarrhea, irritability, and sudden cardiac arrest. Additionally, there is no long-term study on its effectiveness and more research is required. The ingredients of hydroxycut can also vary and it is considered a supplement. This means that testing is less stringent. What are the benefits of caffeine? A common stimulant in coffee, tea, and soft drinks, caffeine is usually added to diet pills, supplements, and for people to stay awake and alert. This stimulant is especially common among university students and it is a popular metabolism booster. The best sources of caffeine are coffee and green tea, which have antioxidants and other health benefits. Caffeine can increase fat burning up to 29% and metabolism by 3 to 11%. This demonstrates how caffeine can influence weight loss, as there were significant correlations between basal metabolic rate. Additionally, subjects who consumed high amounts of caffeine in a 2005 study lost a significant amount of weight, demonstrated reduced fat mass, and reduced waist circumference. What are the cons of caffeine? However, caffeine can also cause anxiety, is highly addictive, and can reduce sleep quality. When someone develops a tolerance to caffeine, they will need more to function. Caffeine can reduce sleep quality, as if an individual takes caffeine before sleeping, they will still be awake. What are the pros of Ali, orlistat? This is a pharmaceutical method sold under the name Ali and under prescription as Xenical. It is sold over the counter and is a possible method of weight loss. It prevents the body from breaking down some fat that people eat. Because of the intestines absorb less fat, individuals may lose weight. These can result in weight loss. What are the cons of Ali, orlistat? However, it has many digestive side effects that can include loose, oily stools, uncontrollable and frequent bowel movements, and flatulence. It also can contribute to a vitamin deficiency in A, D, E, and K. These are symptoms that may be uncomfortable. What are the pros of glucomannan? It is a type of fiber in elephant yam roots. According to a 2005 study consisting of 176 people, it contributed to the weight loss of healthy, overweight adults. It absorbs water and essentially is in your gut to create a sense of fullness. This feeds the friendlier bacteria in the intestine. It also can lower blood sugar, blood cholesterol, and triglycerides. Glucomannan, combined with a good diet, can assist individuals in losing 8 to 10 pounds of weight in just 5 weeks. This can be a quick fix to some. What are the cons of glucomannan? However, it can also create bloating, flatulence, soft stools, and can interfere with oral medications if concurrently taken. This can create uncomfortable symptoms. What are other methods of weight loss? Those who desire to lose weight can also decrease their portions, eat lean protein or vegetables, and get consistent exercise. However, we will be discussing another more natural method. Interested in probiotics? What do they do? Probiotics consist of 2 parts, pro and biota. This means for life. They play a key role in digestion through balancing intestinal microflora. These intestinal microflora are already evident in the digestive system. The body consists of 3.5 pounds of probiotic bacteria. They are within supplement form and some foods. They have demonstrated benefits for digestion, blood pressure, the brain, IBS, and infection. The colon consists of a lot of bacteria that consist of 500 different species types. Some of the strains include Bifidobacterium, Saccharomyces, and Lactobacillus. These strains are the kind of probiotics that they are, which can be yeast, bacteria, or other kinds of strains. They are also usually measured in colony-forming units, and higher doses create the most successful results. Specific probiotics have a chance of being helpful at 1 to 2 colony-forming units per day. However, there are others that necessitate at least 20 billion colony-forming units per day. What foods are they in? They are also in foods such as yogurt, kefir, buttermilk, unpasteurized sauerkraut, tempeh, kimchi, miso, some soy beverages, and aged cheeses. There are also probiotic fortified products such as juice, chocolate, flour, and cereal. As probiotics occur naturally in the gut, many supplements and fermented foods contain probiotics. Additionally, these are foods that can be eaten instead of taking other supplements. How can they help with obesity? They may modulate obesity. According to Bell in 2015, people at a healthy weight and people with obesity demonstrated significant differences in their gut flora. Additionally, according to the British Journal of Nutrition, one type of probiotic, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, can help obese women achieve significant weight loss. This study was done in over 24 weeks with obese men and women. This type of probiotic also can decrease levels of low-density lipoprotein (LDL) in the blood or bad cholesterol. What can probiotics help with? How can they treat digestive issues? They can help diarrhea. Strains of probiotics have demonstrated positive results in the treatment of diarrhea and gastroenteritis. According to Vanderhoof and Young in 1998 in the Journal of Pediatric Gastroenterology and Nutrition, probiotics demonstrate effectiveness at combating various forms of diarrhea. How can they assist in helping irritable bowel syndrome and other digestive issues? Results even demonstrate the patients with IBS may benefit from probiotics. Probiotics helped increase the number of weekly bowel movements and helped to soften stools. Small studies suggest that some probiotics can assist in ulcerative colitis remission, the recurrence of pouchitis, and Crohn's disease relapse. Which strains help specific issues? What strains help with constipation? Constipation occurs mostly among older adults but can happen to children. Strains that may assist in decreasing symptoms of constipation can include B. longum, a myriad of L. acidophilus, L. reuteri, L. plantarum, L. rhamnosus ANDB, Anomalies, and S. cerevisiae. Which strains help with diarrhea? Diarrhea typically lacks a short amount of time, however, it can be chronic for others. Strains that help for diarrhea-prone IBS include B. coagulans, a myriad of several Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium strains, and S. boulardii. Which strains help with fat loss? Strains that help with fat loss consist of Lactobacillus gasseri, and the concoction of Lactobacillus rhamnosus, Bifidobacterium lactis, and Lactobacillus rhamnosus. What strains help with cholesterol? Strains that help with cholesterol consist of Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus reuteri, and Bifidobacterium longum. How can they help the brain? Probiotics demonstrate how they can be helpful for brain function. According to Tillish, Ash McNally, Shahar, Labuse, Staines, and Mayer in 2013 at UCLA, brain function improved among healthy women who consumed yogurt with probiotics on a consistent basis. How can they help with other body issues? Additionally, some clinical studies suggest that probiotics can help allergy development in children and can prevent vaginal and urinary infections for women. This is because they may create an equilibrium of microflora. Potential benefits of probiotics have also been demonstrated in the treatment and prevention of H. pylori, bladder cancer recurrence, pouchitis, and children's eczema. Can you overdose on probiotics? No, you cannot. However, probiotics are generally expensive. Are all probiotic supplements basically the same? No, there are some probiotics that have a single strain of organisms, and others that have multiple strains of organisms. Different strains of the same kind of probiotic supplement can vary from strain to strain and can have a different effect on health, especially if the individual has certain allergies or other medical issues. This is important when choosing suitable probiotics. Additionally, as they are supplements, probiotics do not go through the same testing and approval process that drugs do. Do food and supplement labels provide accurate microbe counts? According to consumerlab.com in 2013, 5 out of 19 probiotic supplements tested had fewer microbes than stated, and actually delivered 16 to 56% of the organisms listed. What negative side effects can occur because of probiotics? What are the negative digestive issues? They may result in unpleasant digestive problems. This can include a temporary increase in gas and bloating. For individuals who participate in taking probiotics with yeast, they may have constipation and be more thirsty. A simple solution to this is to start with a low dose of probiotics. This way, the body can get accustomed to them over time. What are the kind of headaches that can occur? Some foods with probiotics have amines that excite the central nervous system. This can have blood flow fluctuate and may trigger headaches. How can histamine be involved? Some strains of probiotics produce histamine. Histamine is what the immune system produces when a threat is detected. When levels rise, it creates redness, swelling in the area. Some people with histamine intolerance have difficulties breaking down histamine, which can result in similar symptoms to an allergic reaction. Such strains consist of Lactobacillus helveticus, Lactobacillus hilgardi, Lactobacillus buchneri, and Streptococcus thermophilus. What are some adverse reactions? Some supplements contain allergens like dairy, egg, soy, and yeast. Those who are allergic should avoid such supplements. How can they increase infection risk for some? In rare cases, the bacteria or yeasts found can enter the bloodstream and cause infections. About 1 in a million people who take probiotics with lactobacilli bacteria will develop an infection. Should you take probiotics? Talk to your doctor before making such a change. With any supplement, it is important to consider a second opinion. In certain cases, probiotics can help those with IBS, Crohn's disease, or other health problems. However, they can be harmful if taken improperly or in combination with other medications. Additionally, certain strains can affect the body differently. Like the video. Please share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching.